Not take two, number 2.
Orange video number 2.
Since we're wearing orange.
Carrots.
Yay.
Another salad video.
Right.
It's so simple.
Right.
Like all our salads.
Yeah,
And
everything.
So good. Vegan.
Fresh,
Peeling
fresh.
carrots.
Right. Elisa wrote a poem about peeling carrots when you were in grade 8, was it?
Probably.
It was so cute. So the discussion with this is because we had it when we were in Italy. How to grate the carrot. So I maintain it was with a zester. Look at my hands all over it, holding the carrot.
That's why I don't think it was a zester.
But I really think it was a zester. See? Look at that. It's beautiful.
If you don't have a
Or-
zester,
right.
you can use a
Grater, cheese
grater, and you
grater.
can use the big thick one.
Yeah, you can do whatever. you want.
Whatever you want to do.
Really.
We're gonna try and zest a carrot. Zest away, Michelle.
You can use however much you like.
3 carrots, 2 carrots,
1
5
carrot.
However many people you're
Whatever.
cooking
Whose
for,
daughter's
however much
coming?
you like carrots.
Cut them up nice, slice them up, whatever, shred.
We grated some earlier, so let's just add this to the mix.
Oh, look. Okay, that's it.
So then, what you're going to do, difficult, take a lemon, cut her in half, and let's say for now just half a lemon.
Oh, let's get
If
the
you want, you
seeds
can
out.
pick the seeds out,
Squeeze.
squeeze. Let's say a half lemon is good.
Sure.
Again.
To taste.
Oh, there's a lot of seeds in there.
That's okay though.
So,
We like salt. Yeah.
and then we're gonna toss. See, I normally would put pepper in this.
Well, we can put pepper
It's
in.
okay, no, we'll follow the...
There's no recipe.
There's no recipe. Emily got this recipe from our cousin Anna.
We have 2 cousin Annas. Both
Actually.
Annas.
So here you go.
make
This
it,
is the
yeah.
Anna salad. And like
Okay,
that.
And we should try it. Just salt and lemon. It's
And you
so
can put
good.
this in the fridge. It can last a few days.
It's not going to look pretty when we try this. Right?
That's good.
Or if you want to put olive oil, you can put.